Herrick. I recently went to a sinus lift course out in San Francisco, California, and that's when I came across some people in the StellaLife oral rinse and gel category. They were their sponsors. And I ordered a case of their gel and started giving that to my implant patients for post-op treatment. And I'll tell you, it's been a wow, okay? We've probably been doing it for 3 weeks now, and I've been seeing about a dozen people back with their 2-week post-op for their suture removals, and the tissue healing has been phenomenal. I mean, it's been off the charts, so good. I've been so pleased with their product and how the tissue has been healing and how the patients do post-op as far as their sensitivity, and they've been coming back with great results. So I was thankful that they were here at Chicago Midwinter meeting, because I needed to grab a couple more cases because it's good stuff. So like I said, it's been a while for me as far as our post-op with our patients with our implant surgeries. So good stuff. Thanks a lot, Stella. I appreciate it.